Hello and welcome to this unboxing and first impressions of the Star Wars The Mandalorian on Tatooine figure from Kenner. This is about 16 centimeters tall. Let's unbox it. So I do like the retro packaging it comes in. It's sellotaped down the back for some reason, which does make it very difficult to open, and it's sellotaped at the bottom, so fantastic. So while I'm sorting out the sellotape, we can see the back here. A little bit of a story, that's about it really. So we've got a jetpack, we get a special collector's coin, some form of note or instructions. So Mando has a little pistol, a larger gun. The helmet doesn't come off, but we've got quite a nice Tatooine-style cape, and there is some articulation of the arms, like so. The hands can move, and there is some articulation in the legs as well.